Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Freedom Coconut Cream Brownies. So I'm starting with our vanilla protein drink mix, and I'm going to add 6 scoops. Then I'm going to add cookies and cream Formula 1 healthy meal, and I'm adding 4 scoops of that. Then I'm adding some PB Fit. I'm going to add half a cup. Then I'm adding our baking goods mix, and I'm doing 2 scoops. You won't need to add baking powder because our baking goods mix already has baking powder in it. I'm doing half a cup of oats, half a cup of coconut, then I'm doing half a cup of red, white, and blue little chocolates. A half a cup of Truvia, then I'm adding a cup of egg whites, I'm going to add a cup of almond milk. You may need to add a little more, just depending. You want to make sure that you have that brownie kind of thick batter like this. Then I'm going to spray my brownie pan with some coconut oil and then try to make these as even as I can get them. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 and I'm going to bake these for about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to melt some white almond bark in the microwave to top while these are baking. And then top them with some almond bark and put your toppings on top and let them dry. And that's it. That's how you make the coconut cream brownies. Thanks for watching.